Depending on your fitness level, along with your mindset, losing weight after 40 can be daunting to say the least. Today I'm going to discuss how you can overcome any fear you may have, how motivation is key, and how you can start losing weight today. Exchange for gains. For a lot of us, literally, we come home from work, sort out the kids, have dinner, maybe have a shower or a bath, and then literally we just want to go to sleep. As we get older, our bodies are literally not going to function like, to say, if we're 25 or if we're in our teens. Therefore, lifting weights, going for a run, going for a swim, or any form of exercise can be seen as a burden. But what if I told you can actually still start losing weight, or you can be within your fitness journey and still have fun by doing it? Despite the end result being extremely rewarding, literally by doing any form of swimming, running, jogging, any form of physical exercise at your own pace, you can still have a fantastic physique. All you need to do is literally be consistent within your approach. You can still go out for dinners, have treats with the kids, and literally still have a perfectly normal life. Even when in a caloric deficit, you can still literally eat loads of food, yummy foods. It doesn't literally need to be boring. You can have treats, you can have chocolate. Literally, you can eat, to a certain extent, the foods that you're enjoying now, just at a lower calorie pace. And not only that, by eating these foods, you're not harming anything. You're still actually losing weight. And let me just add, in order for you to lose weight, you don't necessarily need to join the gym. As long as you're in a caloric deficit, you're eating the foods you love, just at a low calorie version, there's no reason for you to join the gym. Don't get me wrong, the gym has the necessary equipment in order for you to sort of like burn fat, build muscles, as opposed to what you have in your normal home. But don't need to literally join the membership, join a gym, or sign up for a gym membership in order for you to lose weight. You can lose weight at your own will, at your own pace, in your own time. Literally just by going on walks or literally doing any form of exercise at your own pace. And let me just add, gym is a very great place if you're going to socialize with other gym goers. They're great in terms of giving you advice and health and tips and here and there. But at the same time, this is your journey, this is your weight loss goal. So although you can take that advice on board, what worked for them may not necessarily work for you. So just take that with a pinch of salt. By the way, my people, let me just pause right there. If you have not subscribed to my channel, or perhaps you're coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe right about now. This channel is definitely for you. I'll be hitting you up literally with a video or some form of content on a weekly basis. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe right about now. At the age of 40, for most of us, we're not in competition of anyone. A lot of us are settled, we may have kids, we may be married with our partners, or so on and so forth. So the only competition we have is ourselves. Therefore, losing weight shouldn't be a burden. In fact, if you are going to lose weight for yourself. Don't lose it for anyone else. So let me ask you, what is actually stopping you from losing weight?
I have no idea.
Remember, you don't really need any form of equipment to lose weight. All you need is your own mindset, your own discipline and consistency. As long as you're on point with your diet, you're not going overboard, you're in your caloric deficit, and you're going for perhaps daily walks, runs, swims, or whatever that cardio may be, you'll be fine, despite your age. So ladies and gentlemen, I challenge you today, if you're thinking of losing weight, or perhaps you're thinking of starting your weight loss journey, start today. Start today. You don't need to go outside. Just start with your meals. Start with a lower calorie version of what you ate yesterday or last week. You can do it and you will do it. Just be consistent in your approach, have the correct mindset, do not rush any form of weight loss program that you're on. Take your time and enjoy it. Okay, that's all from me for today. Like I said before, if you're free in this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials. The name is The Run Official. On the Instagrams, the TikToks, and the Twitters. But like I said, if you're looking to lose weight, you're over 40, or you literally just hit 40, start today. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Unless you're carrying some form of injury, or, for whatever reason, you cannot literally walk or whatever it is, you can still lose weight by dieting. Food is key. Remember that. But until next time, peace.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren. Wait.